Hi everyone, welcome to Edits by Any. So today I'm going to be talking about StreamYard and how you can use StreamYard to grow your channel, get more views, and do so many things. I have a link in the description area and also a link in the comment area pinned. It's an affiliate link of mine, but when you click on that link and when they're doing coupons and promotions, you guys get discount, and even for the first 14 days of using StreamYard using my link, you'll be able to use it for free. But let me tell you something, the best experience is in the package, is when you get the plan. You can start off with the basic, but let's just get started, right? Let me show you all the wonderful things I've been able to use for StreamYard. So I have several channels. This is one of my channels which you're watching now, Edits by Any, and on here I can go live using YouTube, yeah, but YouTube doesn't allow a whole bunch of things. So when you sign up for StreamYard, this is what you get. It will look something like this. If you have the paid version, you can create so many broadcasts and you can link up so many destinations. I believe it's up to like 10 or even, yeah, it's so many destinations, a ton of destinations. So you see here, I have a link to a destination, which is I can broadcast on my Facebook page. The same time, I can broadcast on my Discover Natural YouTube channel. I can even broadcast on other channels, and even I can broadcast on my Amazon Live. So if you have other live platforms such as LinkedIn, such as other areas, even I think with Instagram you have to do some other stuff, but you can add this destination, thereby being very productive. So when you broadcast in one area, you can broadcast, the same broadcast can go out in different areas, and you don't have to waste your time rebroadcasting on all the platforms. So this is a win-win, right? Okay, so I'm going to create a broadcast right now. I'm going to link up Edits by Any, and I'm just going to name it Grow Your Channel. So at this same time, I could also schedule the video to come out later, and I could do so many things. I could do you guys, so many things with it. So let's say that we want to do this right now, and I click over here. Now, when you come into the broadcast area, you could link up your camera. So here is a setup linking up um, my Canon EOS 80D. I don't have it plugged in right now, so I'm not going to link it up, but you can link that up. You can also link up a different audio. Right now I'm using my Blue Snowball, but I can do so many other stuff with it. You can also add a green sheet screen if you do have a screen, and change your background. Now let's assume I go in here and I'm just going to keep everything the same way, and I'm just going to click on here. Now you have your display name. You can put your display name right here. I'm going to put Edits by Any. Okay, so we're going to enter, and I'm sure you are wondering, how am I going to use this to grow my channel? Number one, when you come into here, you can create banners, right? The banners is a way to tell people to do things. You can add a banner to say, have you subscribed and liked yet? So that people are always told to subscribe. So you can also invite people to be a guest, and you click on here, you copy this information here, and that is what you use to invite people. You could also tell people to follow you on other platforms. See, other platforms, so many things. When I go live on Amazon, I also do what is known as banners and brand. Okay, so this I do this banner and I do this brand. Now I can put out a banner and I can put logos. If you do not have the purchased, if you're using the free version, you're always going to have this logo pop up. Let me remove this scrolling banner so that it's not confusing. Okay, so you're always going to have this on. This looks very unprofessional. Okay, so that's why you want to get the paid version. If I had the paid, I do have the paid version, so I can always remove this. If you don't have the paid version, you cannot remove it, and it looks very childish, if I could say. Okay, so I could come here, I could put in my logo up here, I could do different things like overlay. So when I'm live, I can come here, I can tell people to follow me, I can tell people to subscribe, I can show people that I have other platforms out there. This is how you grow all your platforms at one time. At one time. So yeah, so you also have things like this that you can also add video clips, a countdown. Okay, you could also come here and you could also have your intro. Okay, you could have your channel intro. You could also put background. So this is my background that I use for my Amazon Live to tell people to follow me on there. Now, talking about Amazon Live, when I go live, there are different things I can do. As I come live, I can also come here to the share and share my screen. So I'm going to pop up a screen, my Amazon page. And you guys, if you're not following me on my Amazon page, let me just quickly show you some wonderful things you can see on my Amazon page, and you will be surprised. If you want me to teach you about going live on Amazon, please send me a message on Instagram at EditsByEni or leave me a comment down below. I really like to help you out. So when I come in here, you can see I can come here and I can click my Amazon page. When I click on my Amazon page, right there and there, you see my information which I'm sharing to people. I'm telling people about this nice troll. I'm showing people different videos, and you can even come on here and tell people, oh, come and buy this, come and buy this, come and buy this. So yeah, but we want to grow our YouTube channel. So you could go to your other YouTube channels. So this is my other YouTube channel, Discovery Natural. And as you can see that I've been able to grow it up to 189,000 subscribers. Have you subscribed to that channel? Well, you might just make me go over to 190. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, so let's move on. So here is where you can come and you can show people so many things and introduce people to your channel. Now let's assume that you have a video that it's not on your channel. Let's close this down. And StreamYard just started doing this. This is amazing. So you're trying to grow your channel and you want to do those things called silent streams. Yeah, okay. The best silent stream is silent streams or streams, live streams that are something going on. If I put this as my live stream and people are just watching this, it's not going to do anything. It's not going to bring a lot of people. I'll get a couple of hours, maybe like if I stream for like 5 hours, I might get like 3 hours or whatever. But if you want to maximize your streaming potential, especially when you do like silent streams and stuff, you want to use videos, people, videos. That is what you want to use. So in this case, you could come here, you could find a video, and I'm going to show you a way to do this and maximize, get hours and hours of videos and stuff without you moving a finger. I'm going to show you later on. So please do subscribe to this channel. So you can come here, you can click on video files. When you click on videos files, you can come here and I can go to my videos. So I'm going to go to some of my videos, and this is my family channel. I'm going to go to a video that I've done. Okay, one of my longest videos. So I'm going to a long video. This video is 27 minutes long, and I can pop this video out here. Now watch what happens. Or we can, you can click it right over there. See? And it looks as if I am the one on here, and I'm just gonna go my merry way. Of course, remember to always click go live so that people can see, and this just keeps playing on, and you can put it in a way where you can produce it and make it recurring. This shows more genuity when it comes to streaming, and you don't have to sit down there. It's genius because it's gonna help you grow your channel. You guys, there's so many more stuff, but I want you to contact me. Let me know if this video has helped you, and I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.